Hey, everybody. If you're going to learn the laws of health course and you're going to take this seriously and change your life, change your health, you really need to understand law number 1. And law number 1 is this. Law number 1 states that generally people, well, not even generally, it's a pretty big deal. They've done studies actually, psychological studies on people who, for the most part, have really good health, good mental health, mental clarity, and physical health. And those are the people who have a tendency to accept 100% total responsibility for everything that goes on in their life. And when you learn how to do that and accept responsibility for everything that goes on in your life, guess what you get to have? Guess what the byproduct of that is? It's control. It's a sense of control. You feel this sense of empowerment because you feel like there is something that I can do about this. I'm responsible for my life, so therefore I am in charge here. And when you feel that sense of control, the byproduct of that is a sense of freedom. And when you feel that sense of complete and total freedom in your life, the byproduct of that is good feelings in your body. Now, medical studies have actually proven and shown that people who maintain good feelings in their body over the longer periods of time are people who experience very elevated degrees of health and vitality and energy and power and strength in their body. They spend less time in the doctor's office. They rarely, if ever, take prescription medications. They just live generally more healthy lives than people who don't accept complete responsibility, feel that sense of control, experience that feeling of freedom and those elevated feelings, good feelings in the body. So that is the secret. That's the secret. I mean, really, we could narrow and boil every little video, every little handout in this course down to this one law, which is the law of responsibility. As soon as you're willing to accept complete and total responsibility for everything that goes on in your life, you get that sense of control, the feeling of freedom, and those good feelings that live in your body for longer periods of time, which it does put you into a state of spontaneous healing. It's very liberating, and it feels good, and those good feelings are what heal the body. So I really hope that you take that to heart. I really hope that you write this down. And I hope that you'll take a mental note of the parts of your life where you do accept responsibility and then the parts of your life where you don't. Because you can't have it both ways. You can't accept total responsibility over here and then have less responsibility over here, because ultimately you still have responsibility for everything that goes on in your life. Whether you think that you do, whether you accept that responsibility or not, you still have it. So really hope that this changes your life and changes your perspective as we move forward. But that is law number 1. Take it to heart. Bye.